It's the Mikestars, the most amazing traveling and baking YouTube channel. Hi, this is the Mikestar, the most amazing traveling and baking YouTube channel. Today we are going to bake a strawberry cake with a special recipe. Before we start our video, consider subscribing, liking, sharing and commenting. Our ingredients are flour 200 grams, extra flour 100 grams, Preheat margarine 200 grams, baking powder 10 grams, sugar 150 grams, 5 eggs, strawberry essence 10 ml, strawberry fruit 100 grams. First of all, we are going to cream the flour together with Preheat to a toothpaste-like paste. Make sure your paste look like this, like a toothpaste-like paste. Next, we are going to mix the sugar together with eggs and strawberry essence and whisk them to a smooth paste. And remember, we crack egg one by one just in case one is rotten. We have the strawberry essence, 10 ml, let's mix them together and my hubby will help me to mix them. And make sure you whisk until you don't feel any sugar particle for better results. Yeah, it's ready.
In this step, we are going to fold in the extra flour and the baking powder, alternating with the mixtures until it's smooth. Let's do this. Remember that you should whisk using one side, either clockwise or anti-clockwise. This improves the quality and the texture.
We are done with our paste. Let's move to the rust process.
Now we are going to slice strawberries into small slices and then to our mixture. Then mix them until they blend completely. Let's do it.
This is our paste and the strawberry fruits. Let's mix them together.
Mixture is ready. It has blended uniformly. Now let's move to the next step.
We are going to grease and dust the tin. This is for preventing our cake from sticking on the tin. Cool. Let's pour our paste. This is the paste. Let's bang it to make it compact and remove the air. We are going to preheat the oven for 10 minutes at a temperature of 180. And we are going to put it on the baking calibration, the one that have 2 lines. This one. The oven is done preheating. We are going to bake the cake for 45 minutes at a temperature of 180. It's cool.
Let's wait for the final product.
Our cake is ready. Let's remove it to cool down. To know whether the cake is ready, you stick the knife at the center. If it's wet, you know it's not ready. If it's dry, you know it's ready.
What about that? Is that what on dry?
What? This one is dry, so ours is ready.
Yeah.
This is our cake. Can show them, baby.
You can see the final product. Looks nice. Yes, now let's go ahead and cut and share the inner parts. The inner side looks good. You can see the traces of strawberries. Yes.
I want it.
Let's have a taste.
It's time to have the taste.
Taste, Mom.
Taste the cake.
More.
What do you want?
I want it.
It's time to have the taste. As you can see, everything looks cool. Let's get to see the real facts. Are you ready, Toto?
Yeah.
Are you ready to taste a cake, baby?
Baby?
Olivia,
Yeah.
are you ready to taste a cake?
Cake.
Yes.
I want to eat some cake.
Okay, taste and tell us how it tastes.
Tell us how it tastes. Okay?
I don't hungry on cake.
You are hungry. Hi, that one is very big, sweetie.
Really?
Are you? No. Olivia, that one is very big.
How is it?
Wait for her to feed into it.
I don't hungry on cake.
How is it?
It's a yummy cake.
Wow.
Look at mommy, look at me. Say, do like
Mommy,
this.
tell mommy it's nice.
It's nice, Mom. It's not cakey.
Good
Thank you,
job.
thank you. Okay, let me have a taste and confirm that. Wait. Or you want to eat one of them?
Daddy, you get cakey.
Wait. Delicious. I can feel the strawberry flavor. And let me mix it with the real ale. Awesome. It's raining so well. Eat more. It's nice.
Nice.
Yes.
We have come to the end of our video. Consider subscribing, liking, sharing and commenting. Try the recipe and give your feedback. Let's meet on the next video. Bye.
Bye guys.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye. Bye.